an extended stay at Hey Duke's Hideout. It was very cool. Great timing. We were at the Fibark Festival, Whitewater little festival that you saw in the last video, and it was nice. Very good distraction. So many people look like hiker trash because just about every other person was wearing a sun hoodie, short shorts, and trail runners, so you had to double look, and you can definitely tell it's a very active skating area. Yeah, so back on trail, then next stop is Buena Vista, where so far so good, everything looking easy, and see how long it takes us, see where we end up, and just trying to get to the next water source. Carrying no more than a liter so far because yeah, really, it's pretty good so far with water, so taking advantage of it. I know once Wyoming comes, it'll be back to Lordsburg, basically. So, yeah, got an uphill. I'm going to be huffing and puffing, so let me skip to the next scene when I'm up somewhere. All right, 5 miles to camp. It's been pretty gradual and nice. Very nice. Water delicious and cold. Little spoons behind me, and we're just cruising. The sun doesn't set till about 8:30 now anyways, and it's like about half a moon, so the moon shining itself is pretty bright. So either way, I mean, I think we'll make it there in an hour and a half, hour 45 minutes. Yeah, very much hungry. Been very beautiful. Been on the hunt for moose. All these notes about moose being around here, but I haven't seen jack. But it's been a beautiful day, and I shook off all that negative energy, and there's a plan now, and I feel so much better, especially being in trail. It's just something about pulling yourself from the comforts of town. But once you start getting back on trail, start sweating, start eating your snacks, you start feeling a whole lot better. And yeah, it's got a bit to go, and we'll set up camp. Well, this is Leadville, and I just threw my back out. And just want to take this little second to just show you how great people are. We were at this hostel, the Abbey. I don't really recommend it, but it's a place to stay. And we were on our way. We're just gonna have breakfast and get on the trail, and I literally coughed and I threw my back out, or pinched a nerve or some shit, and thinking, oh fuck, now what? Because we don't have accommodations, and this kind couple that literally lives next door is letting us crash in their place. So hopefully this isn't more than a 24-hour thing, and get back on trail tomorrow. I've already taken a mystery pain pill, some capsin rubbing on my back, and oh fuck, just need to stretch and see what happens tomorrow. My name's Dogfoot, and I'm officially old. All right. So it's day 4 in Leadville. Threw my back out on some old man shit. I literally coughed and some kind of spasm on my right side, lower back. Been really lucky and grateful to Matt and Heather for adopting us and letting us 4 strangers crash in their place. I tell you, when I say the trail provides and the people that you meet, this is what it's about. Because I was ready to just cowboy camp on 0 Day Cafe, which is ran by a thru hiker, and they're very cool and would have let us just cowboy camped in the front, and they came and rescued us and allowed us inside their home and everything, and I just can't describe how touching that is. So Matt and Heather, thank y'all very much for allowing me to recover in your home, and hope to one day be able to come back and see the finished product in your beautiful home.